Hey boys and girls, Murray here with PhoneArena. Today we're checking out the Nubia Red Magic 7, a gaming phone. But yeah, it packs a punch in the camera department. We're recording in 4K, 60 frames per second. Image stabilization is on, and we're gonna test it by doing a little jog. Here we go. Pretty stable. Next we're gonna close up and test the autofocus. Quite fast. We can also zoom in and out while recording. It's up to 10 times zoom, and back to 1. It's pretty smooth, although it's digital. This phone can go all the way up to 8K, although no point in shooting in that resolution, as 8K monitors and TV sets are pretty rare still. But 4K looks great. I will be quite happy with 4K. Okay, next up is 1080p. Be right back.